In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a search bar in Power BI Desktop. If you've ever wanted a quick way for viewers to type a word or phrase and instantly narrow down what they see, this is exactly what you need. We'll use a built-in visual designed for text-based filtering, so users can search by names, categories, codes, or any field you choose. Start in Power BI Desktop with your report open. Look to the Visualizations pane on the right. You're looking for the text slicer icon. Think of the letters A, B, and C with a small lightning symbol in one corner and a filter icon in the other. Click that, and Power BI will drop a new, empty visual onto your report canvas. This is your search bar framework. It will appear blank at first because it doesn't yet know which field it should search. Now, switch your attention to the data pane, where all your fields live. Decide which single column you want people to be able to search. This is important. The search bar will filter based on this one column, and then Power BI will use that selection to filter the rest of your visuals according to your existing relationships. Drag that chosen column from the data pane and drop it directly onto the empty text slicer on the canvas. As soon as you do, the visual understands what to search against and becomes usable. Go ahead and try it out. Click into the search bar and start typing. As you enter text, the slicer will look for matches in that column and filter your report accordingly. It will match to the closest value it detects, so partial words and fragments are often enough to narrow things down. This is especially helpful for long lists, like customer names or product titles, where scrolling would be tedious. You'll see your charts, tables, and other visuals respond to your entry, showing only the data that matches the text you typed. A quick tip when choosing the field: pick the one that makes the most sense for how people naturally think about your data. For example, if viewers know products by their names rather than their internal codes, use the product name field. If your column is numeric or uses abbreviations, it will still work, but clear, descriptive text usually gives the best search experience, and that's all there is to it. You've added a simple, effective search bar using the text slicer, connected it to the column you care about, and confirmed that it filters your visuals as you type. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building faster, more searchable reports.